everybody, it's me, Flair here. Today I am going to make this fidget spinner which I opened yesterday, as you saw in the video, and make it go 1,000 kilometers per hour. So we'll see what happens. As you heard, I have one of these and I'm gonna see what happens. Let's see. As you can hear now, it's like really fast, and if I point the camera down at it, well, in my point of view, I can actually see it changing color, like to green, then to blue, and then back to black. It's amazing. So let me see if I can pick it up. It's really fast right now, and I'm really afraid to touch it now. So yeah, that's what happens when you spin it up to 1,000 kilometers per hour. So yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, check out Neon Sports channel, link will be in the description below, subscribe to him, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!